Greetings. In this video, we're going to go over the link button for AltspaceVR. This link button will allow you to link to your web page or a YouTube video or whatever you want to link to. So here we are in my office, and you can see I've got a couple of links already added. So here's a link right here to the Humai Club website, and if I click this link, you see we get the prompt, open page. Now since I am on a computer, it opens up in a browser tab on the computer. Now let me show you how this same link looks in VR. Alright, so here I am. I'm going to click this same link from in VR. When I click this link, first of all, you see I get the same prompt. Notice how it opens up for me. I can see it, but notice how my bot that's looking at me cannot see it. So when when a person clicks your link and they're in VR, they're the only one that's going to see this page, and they can grab it and move it around like this. They can bring it in closer, push it farther away, etc. Right? And the way you scroll is on your thumbstick. You push your thumbstick up. So if you're noticing here, I push up and it scrolls up. I push down and it scrolls down. You can click links. So if I want to click learning or resources and then click AltspaceVR tutorials and downloads, notice how that page loads, and we can scroll. If I want to click a tutorial, let's imagine I click this one, for example. Notice how it loads, and I can hit play, and it plays. And so now let's add a link. So imagine I want to put a hyperlink right here on this screen. Okay, so first of all, you have to open up your world editor, go into edit mode, and then you're going to go under kits, buttons, and you've got this link button right here. Click it, it'll spawn a button right here. If you click it, you'll notice it highlights, and then just hit the little gear wheel. If you give it a name, you'll be able to distinguish it amongst all of your other buttons. So I'm just going to call this one Club URL. Okay. And in the link URL, it's really important that you put the protocol. So if it's HTTP or HTTPS, in this case it's HTTPS because I do have an SSL. So I'll put HTTPS. Make sure that you have your : / That is critical. If you do not include the protocol, it will not work. And then I'll put the domain. And there we go. Click confirm. And now I'm just going to place this where I want it to go. So if I want to put this on here, shrink it down a little bit. And that's all you have to do. If I go out of edit mode, here we go. If I click this link, here it opened over here. If you have any questions, click the help and support and submit a ticket.